So 7 installation. First you open the serial number, then click the installation setup key by application and yes, next, okay, next. You can type anything or you type your name, then open the serial number and copy one by one. You can copy and then paste. I push the video. When totally fill up the serial number, then I continue. Look, I fully fill up the serial key of this Photoshop 7, then click next. Yes, it's topical. Next, it would be install, process would be start. Yes, finish, then click OK. Cut it, cut the serial number. Now open the Photoshop 7. Okay. Its page is open. Now page is open. Now I think you will understand how to Photoshop 7 is installed. Thank you for watching.